Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create GIF out of a video. So on your Samsung Galaxy device, you can turn your favorite video moments into looping GIFs right from your gallery. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up gallery. We'll go ahead and open up a video. So for example, this one here, I want to go ahead and create a GIF out of this. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and open up AI Select from my Edge panel. I'll go ahead and draw a circle around it. Now I'll go ahead and just bring this down a bit. Now I want to go ahead and tap on the three dots and create a GIF. So here I'll go ahead and play this in full screen mode. I want to go ahead and make sure it records in high quality. And then I'll go ahead and tap on record. So once I'm ready, I'll go ahead and press play and then I'll press record. So this will record a maximum of 15 seconds. And once that's done, it'll stop. Now you can go ahead and watch your GIF. So if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and tap on copy, share, or you can go ahead and tap on save. So now this is a GIF which I've just created. So GIFs are perfect for reaction, memes, or sharing highlights in a fun way. So it's a creative tool that keeps your content engaging beyond just videos. So there you go guys, that's how to create a GIF out of a video on a Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.